We are here with the Uganda Innovate STEM Bootcamp, STEM standing for Science, Technology, Engineering and Mathematics. And this is a pilot program under the Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovations, also known as STI. So here we are introducing these underserved kids with the knowledge of science and technology. Though they understand those and they learn those in their books, but they never get the exposure towards the practical experience of it, the practical knowledge. So we're using Lego and building blocks to help them know how these concepts, these physics, engineering concepts comes to life, how gravitational force comes to life, how centrifugal force comes to life. So they see it in action. So the language gap is no more there. Even if they don't understand the language, they see the thing in action, they understand it very well. They're also making a project that is with local materials like cardboard, like bottle caps, like sticks around them. They're using them to make projects that are moving, that are working, and that are using physics and engineering concepts. In the higher classes, we are also introducing robotics to them so that they get the touch of robotics in those classes. They understand that word and they know that, okay, I am not far from it. I can also go into that field. So that's our idea here.
I have been learning about robotics, technology, like how to build cake makers out of blocks and robots. I have been learning about engines, dry cells, batteries, like that. So I finally got a chance to put it practical with the things I make. So they have programmed one of our robots that we made yesterday. I always wanted to build robots at home, but I didn't know how to build them, how to start them. The robot that I made is like a car. So they have programmed it how to be automatic, like at its sound.
Yesterday we have been learning a car and a washing machine. And today we are learning an elevator. I feel good because we are learning. We were using blocks to make washing machines and cars. When I grow up, I want to be a bankman.